Hi, this is Charlotte Moore, and this is assignment 4.2, the experiment with listening. My challenge was as a leader, I had to implement change. The company I originally worked with, they merged with another company. Therefore, I was sent away to learn a new system, and when I returned, my responsibility was to train the entire station. So when I returned and it was time for me to begin training, I knew that everyone was a little hesitant to change because we had utilized the prior system for such a long time. So what I did was I allowed them to express their concerns and I listened to everything they had to say. But what I did explain to them that change had to take place. It didn't have to be so bad, so I tried to make it as harmless as possible. I explained to them everyone was capable of learning and everyone learned at a different pace, and I was aware of that. The good thing about it was the new system had a helpline, so if there was anything that you were stuck on, something that you had to assist a passenger with, you can actually call online and they could walk you through it. But my responsibility was to at least train them so they could at least try to apply, because you can't be on the phone at the same time talking to someone on the helpline to help you with different procedures because there was only one line. So what I did was we did a trial run and they tried it. And I told them, I encouraged them to utilize their resources, write everything down so you could refer to it. So when it was time to do it, they were a little hesitant, but once they started to initially try, they realized it was something that they were capable of doing. So basically, the self disclosure was, this is new for me. I don't understand it. I will need help. This change is a little scary for me, and I don't think I'm capable of doing it. I related to them and encouraged them to exhaust what they knew before they even tried the helpline because they were all capable of doing the work. And lastly, they tried and they succeeded with the training. They were able to do a lot more than they thought they were going to be able to do. So after they initially tried, they succeeded. They exhausted their options. They were capable of doing much more than they thought they were doing. They accepted the change. It came slowly, but it was a good change because they realized it was something they were capable of doing. So it wound up being a success, and they all learned everything that they were supposed to do. Thanks. This is Charlotte.